Corrections in Sage Payroll. We all make mistakes from time to time, and that's why Corrections mode allows for easy updates to completed pay runs, giving you complete peace of mind. You may need to change a pay run after completing it. This could be because you've forgotten to add something such as a bonus or overtime. Confidently make corrections in Corrections mode, ensuring total accuracy. Before editing your pay run, we recommend you print or save reports. We'd recommend you save all pay slips for the pay run you're correcting. The detailed report showing the employee's original payment values. More reports can be found in the reporting menu. Let's edit a completed pay run. When you finalize a pay run, the details are sent to revenue. This tells revenue how much your employees have been paid and how much you owe them for any statutory deductions, such as PAYE and PRSI. Once you have completed the corrections, you can resubmit to revenue with the changes made. To edit a completed pay run, first click Pay Runs, then from the list of completed pay runs, choose the pay run you'd like to amend. If a new employee wasn't included on the pay run you've already completed, you can't add new employees in Corrections mode. When we originally paid John, he received this amount. However, this is missing an overtime payment. This overtime payment could be paid in the June payroll, or we can edit the May pay run to include the overtime. To correct this pay run, click Edit Pay Run. When the changes are made to a completed pay run, it's likely to affect the employee's net pay. This means if the employee has received their pay for this period, they will have been overpaid or underpaid. To confirm that you understand the impact of editing a pay run, select this checkbox, then click Confirm. The pay run you are editing is confirmed here. Select the relevant employee from the left and make the required corrections to their pay. In this case, we'll add the missing overtime payment to John's pay. The changes you make may impact statutory deductions, such as PAYE and PRSI. Adding the overtime payment has increased the net pay due to John. When John was originally paid in May, he wasn't paid enough. It's also altered the statutory deductions. Repeat the process for all employees who require a correction. Please note any errors will appear here. Corrections can't be saved if there's an error. Make the necessary amendments to fix the error before attempting to save the corrections. If you click Cancel, your changes will not be saved. To save your changes and confirm the corrections, click Save Corrections. A message will appear before the changes are saved. Here you can see how many employees you've corrected and choose how to deal with the difference in the net pay. Your choices are show the difference in the next pay run and do not show the difference in the next pay run. If you choose to show the difference in the next pay run, a correction payment or deduction appears on their payslip, showing the amount they're due or the amount they owe. In our example, if we choose this option, John will have a correction payment on his June payslip. This is because he's owed extra pay. So by adding the difference to the next pay run, this way everything is handled within Sage Payroll. If we were to pay John the amount he is owed immediately, we would choose to handle the net pay difference outside of payroll. Therefore, we'd choose the second option. This is because we've paid him everything he's owed outside of the payroll, and a correction payment on his June payroll is not necessary. The choices here affect your employee only. They don't impact how revenue is made aware of the correction. The differences in the employee's gross pay, PAYE and other statutory deductions will be included in your updated submission to revenue. To confirm the selection and save your corrections, press Confirm. The pay slips for May now show the corrected values. You can use the original payslip for comparison if required. All amendments will show, including the gross pay, net pay and statutory deductions. The confirmation of your correction is shown here. If there's been a problem or your changes weren't saved, you'll see this here too. This information is also available in the Summary tab. Once you make a correction, you must resubmit to Revenue. You can do this here. You can read about how corrections have impacted your journals to Sage Accounting in the Help Center. Simply click Help at the top of your payroll and navigate to the Corrections section. You have now learned how to correct a completed pay run in Sage Payroll.